Low voice, uncovered. What does it really mean? Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into a commonly used phrase in the English language: low voice. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what this phrase means and how to use it in different contexts. A low voice typically refers to a sound or tone that is deep or not high. When we talk about someone's voice being low, we mean that it has a deep sound. For example, many men naturally have a lower voice than women, but that's not always the case. Some women have deep voices, and some men have higher-pitched voices. Beyond its literal meaning, low voice can also be used figuratively. Here are a couple of ways. 1. Speaking softly. When someone says, "Speak in a low voice," they're often asking you to speak softly or quietly. This could be in situations like in a library, during a meeting, or when someone nearby is sleeping. 2. Secretive or private. Saying something in a low voice can also indicate that what's being said is a secret or is meant for only a few people to hear. To make it even clearer, let's see low voice in action. 1. The teacher has a low voice, so sometimes it's hard to hear her at the back of the classroom. 2. Please speak in a low voice. The baby is sleeping in the next room. 3. She told me the news in a low voice so that no one else would overhear. And there you have it. Now you know both the literal and figurative meanings of the phrase, low voice. Whether someone's talking about the pitch of their voice or the volume, you'll be well prepared to understand and use this term in various contexts. We hope this video has been helpful, and as always, keep practicing and exploring the beautiful nuances of the English language. Happy learning!